Hello, my name is Hugo Gonzalez, and this is the activity number 1 for the English course level 5. In this time, we're going to present an activity of some of the rules of behavior on the net. As it says, the way we behave online impacts the world, especially on the ongoing interaction between these two worlds. That means what you do on the net, it affects what you do in real life because they're not separate, they're connected. So these recommendations are designed to have a better behavior on the net. First, we need to keep a peaceful demeanor. Sometimes when you're on the net, the behavior of other people affects you. So we cannot fall in that. We cannot fall for it for provocations, and in that sense, we need to keep passive, quiet before someone else's aggression, so it won't escalate. The second recommendation is when to use private or public messages. Remember that are two types of chats. One is public. Everybody can see what you're writing. And the other one is private. Some things is not for the knowledge of everyone. Sometimes there's a situation we want to speak with the other person directly. So we have to be careful about that. Do not open email from suspicious or unknown people. There are a lot of people, bad people on the net that wants to get your information, private information, to commit illicit. So we have to be aware of that and take all measures to prevent it. Helps keep discussions healthy and educational. There are some times in the net that people are spreading bad rumors or bad information about other people, so we cannot keep doing that. We can't replicate. We have to be a filter for that type of information. The next recommendation is know where you are in the cyberspace. The way you write or speak in a chat room don't apply to all the rooms. Some are formal, some are informal, so you have to know where you're standing so you won't make a mistake. Share your knowledge with the community. We all know that internet was created to share information across the world. Sometimes people think it's just playing or small talking, but you have to be part of that sharing of information. As per mentioned before, uploading a photo or video, pues we have to respect everybody's privacy. So if the other person doesn't want you to public a picture or a video, you just don't do it. And it integrates with this. Think carefully before posting something. You have to know if your posting is good, bad, it will affect other people or not. With that in mind, well, we recommend to remember all this so we have a healthy and respectful environment online. Thank you very much.